This is Adam Anderson, 4-time world champion, driver of Gravedigger. You're watching Lego MT Fan TV.
I'm Lindsay Wink, driver of the Lucas Oil Crusader, and you're watching Lego MT Fan TV.
Hey guys, Scott Hartsock here with the Gunslinger Monster Truck, and you're watching Lego Fan TV.
This is Scott Buto with Team Hot Wheels Firestorm, and you're watching Lego MT Fan TV.
Hey, this is Jim Kohler, and you're watching Lego MT Fan TV, the wildest Lego TV you've ever seen.
Gravity will be defied, history will be made, champions will be crowned, and thundering power will be on full display. The louder you get, the bigger they go. Now, the time has come. Raise those checkered flags, put on your blaster gloves, and get ready, because it's time to meet the Renegades.
Gaithersburg, Maryland! Are you ready to meet the Renegades? Ladies and gentlemen, tonight we brought to you the biggest, baddest, 10,000 pound, 1,500 horsepower, fire-breathing machines of destruction. And now it's time to meet the men behind the machines. Are you ready? The very first driver I want you to meet today is 12 years old and already one of the biggest rock stars in the Renegade Monster Truck Tour. Looking to burn it down for the fans in the stands. The kid who sent it last night and told me he's going to finish what he started here this afternoon from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Say hello to Garrett and Manny Stinger! Ladies are awesome, but I want to know, who wants to meet your monster trucks? The very first driver I want to introduce to you today comes to you out of Hagerstown, Maryland. It is 2014 Ford Raptor Monster Truck. 546 cubic inches, 1,500 horsepower, only one powerful stinging name in the competition. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for Joe Jenkins Killer B! And sitting on the other side, from the center of the grandstand area. One of the most popular and iconic independent monster trucks in the world, and we brought them right here to the Montgomery County Fair on a beautiful Thursday evening from Virginia Beach, Virginia. Put your hands together for Alex Barnett and Stone Crusher! Ladies and gentlemen, we got a special treat for you fans here this afternoon. The former Monster Jam Arena Series champion who literally tore this place apart last night. He's been shredding the competition all year long. It's the big purple can opener from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Ladies and gentlemen, get on your feet for Insane Zane Ratu and Shredder! And speaking of former Monster Jam Arena champions, this guy has over 2 decades of monster truck driving experience under his belt. He's ran over 30 different monster truck names, and now he has that awesome deep sea fishing themed Chevrolet into his hat. From Detroit, Michigan, make some noise for Frank Cremel and Hood! Ladies and gentlemen, last night this kid was out here and he sent it so hard that he broke his entire back end. Well, guess what? He got that thing repaired and he told me, he's like, hey, you know what, Corbin? I didn't go out here for freestyle. I'm going to finish what I started here tonight. I'm going to make some noise here in Montgomery County because there's some fans in the stands that want to see me. That's that 17-year-old phenom from Lancaster, Pennsylvania. Ladies and gentlemen, Sandy C.J. Ratu and And just when you think we couldn't have any more hometown boys in the house, we got you a couple more, ladies and gentlemen. This guy coming out of Hagerstown, Maryland, with one of the most iconic and coolest looking 3D monster trucks in history. And we brought him right here to the amazing Montgomery County Fair. Ladies and gentlemen, hailing from Hagerstown, Maryland, put your hands together for R.J. Turner in War Wizard! And another hometown favorite here this afternoon, the man who last night took home the best trick trophy, and he's looking to do the same thing here this afternoon. Hailing out of Frederick, Maryland, put your hands together for the iconic Preston Perez and the Mean Green Destruction Machine, Thompson! And last, but certainly not least, the man who sits on the other side of the awesome Sheehy Ford grandstands as Toxic's teammate. The man who last night took home a racing trophy, lighting up the competition everywhere he goes. But now, tonight, he's back in the stomping ground that he got started in so many years ago. Ladies and gentlemen, as the sun goes down, his truck's lighting up the competition from Bethesda, Maryland. Get loud for Corey Snyder, Illuminator! Look at him. You cannot get a lineup better than what we have here this afternoon. How about one more time, Gaithersburg? These are your Renegade monster truck drivers! What's he gonna do here? Nice air right there to start things off in the best trick competition. Getting dizzy with some donuts. Make some noise for Hook! Aaron ladies and gentlemen, his helmet's off. He can really hear you now. Zane Ratu and Shredder! Zane, first of all, look at all these people, dude, that came out here. We sold the place out almost, bro. You made history tonight, man. August, I believe this is what, the 17th or the 18th or something now, 2024, will be known as the first ever monster backflip in Renegade history, and you did it right here in Gaithersburg, man. What's going through your mind?
Oh, I'm excited, guys. You know, Gaithersburg's been awesome. We've been doing this fair now for 14 years, and you guys have supported me and my family the whole time we've been doing it. I passed the torch of Stinger Unleashed on to my boy, and he's holding up to the name. I brought a brand new truck for myself at the fall of last year to come out and have some fun with my boy. And you know what we are? We're just having fun for you guys. I don't know if that backflip was more fun or I got more entertainment out of hearing you on the microphone after I landed on top of it. You were excited. Everybody was excited. We're just here to have fun, and when we're having fun, you guys are going to get a heck of a show. I'm ready to get through racing so we can burn it down in freestyle.
Heck yeah, well, Zane, you know me, dude. I'm a super fan, just like all these guys are. But nonetheless, man, congratulations. That was absolutely incredible.
You know, there's one more thing. We have that brand new like father, like son shirt up there. Everybody sees it and they're like, oh, that's cute. No, after what you just saw, like father, like son, we're out here tearing it up. We're having fun for you guys, so let's get it done.
Let's get it done, like father, like son. One more time, ladies and gentlemen, for Zane Ratu and Shredder! Around the turn he goes. Oh, the first time. Around the turn. And across the finish line he goes. That will be a legal race win. Great turn. Oh! More body parts starting to come loose. That door's hanging on by a thread. Oh! Laying it right on. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Whoa! Nice hit there for Garrett. Let him hear, ladies and gentlemen. He's gonna do something crazy here. What's he doing? Garrett, I know you were just kidding on the bus, right? You were just kidding about that. Wait a minute. Is he? No. Wait a minute. Oh! Ladies and gentlemen, Manny Stinger! I thought he was just kidding. Right up here, Free, come on!